Have you ever wondered how to set up your YouTube channel trailer? Well, I can help you with that. Hi, my name is Ola and I quit my 9-to-5 job to build an online business. Now I'm helping entrepreneurs just like you to build their online businesses, just like I did. So if it's something you're interested in, make sure to check this channel. You'll probably find something useful. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your YouTube channel trailer or how to change your YouTube channel trailer easy and fast. So let's dive into my laptop and I'll show you exactly how to do that. So to make a good channel trailer, I'll give you a few tips that helped me when I just started. 6 tips that helped me with my channel trailer. First of all, this is their first time on your channel. They don't know who you are, they don't know your story, and this is a good opportunity to tell them your story. And storytelling is one of the best skills that you have to learn. You have to know how to tell the story. And even if you bring a ton of valuable, informative videos, your storytelling will help you to make this audience retention longer and better. So your trailer is a good opportunity to tell them your story, who you are, what is your background, what are you doing, how you started, your family story. Try to make it short and interesting and include a lot of visuals. Number 2 is the benefits that they are going to get from your channel. And yes, we are selfish beings and we like to get things out of things. So whoever comes to your channel, most of them probably thinking, what is in it for me? And this is the way we are human, and this is a part of our nature. Not everybody, of course, but most of us. So tell them what they're going to get from your channel. What type of content you're creating? Is it educational channel? Is it entertainment channel? What's your niche? What's your sub niche? Tell them exactly what they're going to get from your channel, what type of content they're going to see. Number 3, make it short and interesting. Don't make it too long. 30 seconds probably will be more than enough. Maybe a minute, depends how interesting is your story, how interesting is your video. Try to make it as short as you can, but include everything that is essential for your viewer to know about you and your business and your channel. Include many visuals, colors, branding. Promote your brand colors too. And this brings us to number 4. Promote your brand. Colors, fonts, logo, slogan, and more. Try to include them in your storytelling. Include your slogan. Make everything in the colors of your brand. Use your branding fonts. Include your logo on the side of the screen, maybe on your background. Try to promote your brand from the beginning. Number 5, talk to them in a personal level. This is very important. I noticed that when you're talking to your viewer on a personal level, you talk to your viewer like he is your friend. And people love this kind of attention. Number 6, it's very important to finish your trailer, your video with call to action. You can ask them to subscribe to your channel, like your videos, visit your website, get your freebie, or even promote some kind of service or product. I don't do it in my trailers because I first want to get this relationship with my viewers, and then I'll start promoting if I have something to promote. But some of the YouTubers I saw, they include call to action to get their product, and that's totally fine. Maybe it works. I don't know, because I never tried it. I just don't like promoting my products and my services to cold audience, cold traffic. The other thing you can do is not making any trailer at all. Instead of making a video that you will use as your trailer, you can use your existing videos to add to your trailer placement. And you have 2 placements for trailers, kind of trailers, on your channel. One is for new subscribers and one is for returning viewers. So for new subscribers, you can choose a video that drove the most amount of subscribers, the videos that drive people to subscribe to your channel. And I'll show you in a little bit how to check exactly what videos drive the most subscribers to your channel. And the second placement is for returning subscribers. And here I will add any video, but mostly I use this placement to add the videos that get the least amount of views. And this is a spot for them to maybe give them a little push and promote them. So this is just my suggestion. I don't know, you can put any video of your choice to this second placement. So now let me show you how to check what video brings the most amount of subscribers. And then we're going to set up your trailer. To go to your YouTube analytics, click on your icon and from the drop down menu choose YouTube Studio. Now on the left side you will see a menu, and if you scroll down you'll see customization. Click on that. And this is the two placement I was talking about. One is the channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed, and one is featured video for returner subscribers. Let me show you how to check what video drove the most amount of subscribers. Now from the left, choose Analytics and then click on See More. Now scroll down a little bit and here you will see each and every video, how it performed by watch time, subscribers, impressions, and click-through rate. Now I suggest you to go here and choose last 90 days. This will be a good timeline to check how many subscribers you got from each video. This is my most successful video right now, and it had 3,000 views, and it drove me 17 subscribers in the last 90 days. But it don't tell me anything because the video is very successful and I need to know what percentage those subscribers are from the total views. This is what's really important. Let's do a little math here. 17 subscribers divided by 3,259 views, and then let's multiply it by 100, and it's gonna be 12%. That's all I got. Now before we go through all of this, I already know my statistics, and I know that this video drove me the most amount of subscribers. If I divide 877 and I multiply it by 100, it's gonna be 4.5%. And I have higher percentage here, but I don't want to go too deep. Even though this video got me 17 subscribers and this video got me only 8 subscribers, but considering the total amount of views, this video performing much better. It drives more subscribers to my channel each time they see it. So definitely choose the videos that bring the most subscribers to your channel. Now you don't have to do that. You can do your little research, or you just can put a video like a welcome video that you think will work better for you, or you can just test things. Add one video, give it a few months, usually like 2-3 months, you will see if it's working. Then you can change the video. Now let me show you how to set up your YouTube trailer and how to change it. Now from here click on X and let's go back to customization. Under the layout tab you will see our little friends here. If you're new channel, you won't see here anything, you will see here add. Because I already have here video, I see these 3 little dots. I click on that and here I change a video or remove a video, and then I can upload new video here. You can choose any video that you like here. Here, this video made me more subscribers, so I'll just put this video now. Then after you finish editing, always click on publish and you're done. You go back to your channel, you can check your trailer. And here is my trailer. If you like this video, give me some loving by showing YouTube that you liked it. Share it, subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, creator.